Once upon a time, there was a special puppy named Buddy. Buddy could skateboard. Every day, Buddy amazed the children in the park with his incredible tricks. He taught them to skate and encouraged them to never give up. One shy boy named Timmy learned from Buddy and became a talented friendship. Buddy's fame spread, inspiring kids everywhere. Buddy's story reminded them to believe in themselves and never be afraid to try. Skateboarder. Timmy gave a speech, sharing how Buddy something new. Buddy, the skateboarding pup, became a legend of joy and determination.